Hello students, from this lecture we are going to study chapter number 19, excretory products and their elimination. As we know, animals, they accumulate in their body some excretory products. It is like ammonia, urea, uric acid, carbon dioxide, water and some ions like Na+, K+, Cl-, phosphate, sulfate and some other. It is accumulated either by metabolic activities or by other means like excess ingestion. Now it's important to remove this excretory product from human body. These substances have to be removed totally or partially. So here we are going to discuss about this type of excretory products in human body and their elimination. We talk in detail this mechanism of elimination of this substance. So common these substances are nitrogenous waste, ammonia, urea and uric acid are the major forms of nitrogenous waste excreted by the animals. If we compare all three types of excretory product in different type of animals, this nitrogenous waste excretory product, these are in some animal ammonia, in some animals it is urea and in some animals it is like uric acid. If this excretory substances or nitrogenous waste is not removed by animal body properly, maybe totally or partially as per mechanism of their body, it is actually toxic and harmful to the body and lethal also. So it is important to remove or eliminate this type of excretory products, especially nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea and uric acid from the animal body. If you compare this all three types of nitrogenous waste or excretory product created in different kind of animals, we can say ammonia is the most toxic form and it requires large amount of water for its elimination. So comparatively, if we compare with urea and uric acid as a nitrogenous waste, we can say ammonia is the most toxic nitrogenous waste and it requires large amount of water for its elimination. Uric acid is being the least toxic, it can be removed with a minimum loss of water. So ammonia is a highly toxic, most toxic nitrogenous waste substance among all three, and uric acid is the least toxic. Ammonia, it requires large amount of water for its elimination, but uric acid, it requires minimum amount of water for its elimination or removal from the animal body. On the basis of this type of nitrogenous waste excretory products in animal body, different kind of animal bodies, they are classified into three types on the basis of their elimination product, or we can say nitrogen waste. It may be ammonia, urea or uric acid. So on the basis of these animals, they are classified into three types. These three types are: first, ammonotelic, where excretory waste is ammonia; second, ureotelic, here excretory waste is urea; and third type, uricotelic animals. Now we can understand their excretory waste or nitrogenous waste product is uric acid. So on the basis of this removal of type of nitrogenous waste or elimination of this excretory product from their body. They are classified into three types like aminotelic, ureotelic and uricotelic animals. Process of excreting ammonia is ammonotelism. Many bony fishes, aquatic amphibia and aquatic insects, they are aminotelic in nature. It means that their nitrogenous waste product is ammonia here, and that's why they are aminotelic, and the process of excreting ammonia is ammonotelism. Ammonia, as it's readily soluble, is generally excreted by diffusion across body surfaces or through gill surface like fishes as ammonium ions. So, it is important here that ammonia is generally excreted by which mechanism? That is diffusion across body surfaces or through gill surfaces. It is observed in fishes as ammonium ions. Kidneys do not play any significant role in its removal. Terrestrial adaptations necessitated the production of lesser toxic nitrogenous waste like urea and uric acid for conservation of water. So, as we know, ammonia is the highly toxic, most toxic nitrogenous waste excreted from body of animals, and it requires large amount of water for its elimination, and animals actually like bony fishes, aquatic amphibia and aquatic insect where water is available in sufficient amount for its removal. Where this type of animals, they show this type of system where ammonia is excreted as a nitrogenous waste, and mechanism is known as ammonotelism, and animals, they are known as aminotelic animals. Other type of organisms basis on their removal of nitrogenous waste. If we talk about other animals, mammals, many terrestrial amphibia and marine fishes mainly excrete urea, and they are called uricotelic animals. So now nitrogenous waste is urea here in this type of animals, and that's why they are known as uricotelic animals. They are mainly mammals, many terrestrial amphibia and marine fishes. Ammonia produced by metabolism is converted into urea in the liver of these animals and released into the blood, which is filtered and excreted out by the kidneys. As we know, this in animals, kidney, one pair of kidney is main excretory organ, one pair of kidney is present. So, we can say ammonia produced by metabolism in these animals, it is converted into urea in the liver of this animal and released into the blood, which is filtered and excreted out by kidney as a uricotelic animals. Some amount of urea may be retained in the kidney matrix of some of these animals to maintain desired concentrative and osmolarity of these animals. Some other organisms, animals like reptiles, birds, land cells and insects, they excrete nitrogenous waste as uric acid in the form of pellet or paste with a minimum loss of water, and they are called uricotelic animals. So these are third type of animals on the basis of their removal of type of nitrogenous basis. Here, uric acid is removed as a nitrogenous waste from their body, and that's why they are known as uricotelic animals. And examples of these animals, they are reptiles, birds, land snails, and insects. So, now we can understand easily the classification of animals on the basis of the type of removal of nitrogenous waste, and they are classified into three types. It is like first, aminotelic animals, where excretory nitrogenous waste is ammonia. Second, ureotelic animals, here nitrogenous waste is urea. And third, uricotelic animals, here nitrogenous waste is uric acid. So this way, the classification of different kind of animals we can study on the basis of their nitrogenous waste. Now let's study this table. It gives us idea about different type of excretory organs present in the body of different type of animals. As we know about animal kingdom, its classification, and we have already studied about excretory method in different kind of animals, invertebrates and vertebrate animals. In most of the invertebrates, this type of lower organism animals, the structures are simple tubular form, but in higher animals, invertebrates, they have complex tubular organs, and it is known as kidneys. Some of the structures are mentioned in this table also, so we can easily understand about this type of arrangement in different type of animals. Protonephridia or flame cells, they are the excretory structure in Platyhelminthes, in flatworms, like planaria, rotifers, some annelids, and cephalothorax type of animals. So these animals show this type of excretory organs present in their body. It is Protonephridia or these flame cells. They are helpful in removal of excretory waste from their body. Protonephridia are primarily concerned with ionic and fluid volume regulation. We can simply say it's a osmoregulation. So we can understand this mechanism is carried out by Protonephridia, so primarily concerned with ionic and fluid volume regulation in body of animals, and it is known as osmoregulation. Nephridia are the tubular excretory structure of earthworms and other annelids. Nephridia help to remove nitrogenous waste and maintain a fluid and ionic balance in body of animals. Malpighian tubules are the excretory structure of most of the insects, including cockroaches. Malpighian tubules help in the removal of nitrogenous waste and osmoregulation. Antennal glands or green glands perform the excretory function in crustacean species like prawns. As we know about our body, we are higher animals, we are vertebrates, and we possess a pair of kidney in our body. So, in mammals, a pair of kidney is a main excretory organ present in their body. So by studying this table, we can now easily understand about excretory organs, type of excretory organs, various excretory organs present in the body of various kind of animals. It is like Protonephridia or flame cells in flatworms, some annelids, and cephalochordates. Excretory organ like nephridia is present in the body of earthworm and annelids. Malpighian tubules present in insects including cockroach, and a pair of kidney is present in the body of mammals as a excretory organ. And main function of this kind of excretory organ is that to remove excretory product from their body and elimination from this body which is harmful for animals.